Australian Memory Championships, which we've held this weekend, is a decathlon of events. It helps people test their memory against themselves and against other people. We've had people all around the world here today competing. Go.
I prepare for the competition basically by going through the events, memorising decks of cards, random numbers, lists of words and names and faces, and just trying to use those skills in everyday life as well.
5 minutes left.
The pressure in competing is that when you are trying to remember something, you need to do it perfectly without making a mistake.
Look, it's really tough because they give you events that are extremely difficult. Like you have to remember 40 random objects in a short amount of time, and if you make one mistake, you get 0, you don't get 39 out of 40, and things like that. So it's extremely difficult to try and remember as many as you can and not make any mistakes.
So we've had 10 events. Some are remembering names and faces, which is a challenge we all have. Some is long credit card numbers.
1, 2, 9, 8, 0.
Or playing cards. So the last event was playing cards. Go.
I always had a really bad memory at school, and I was plagued by poor organisational skills as a result. And so I was always looking for ways to improve my memory.
Well, there's a real misconception that people are stuck with the memory that they've actually been born with. And that's actually not true. We can make significant improvements to our memory through lifestyle changes, exercise, and in particular nutrition.
Look, nutrition and memory go together like this. You could have an amazing memory, but if you don't look after yourself, one's going to fail as well.
So being a memory athlete's just like being a regular athlete, which means we have to take care of our bodies and our minds. And that includes being physically active, as well as doing the kind of memory exercise we do, and also managing my diet, which includes DHA omega-3, which is a vegetarian source of omega-3.
Look, I think that even if you could improve your memory by 1%, and there's an easy way to do it, why wouldn't you do it?
What is on page 164, position 6?
Okay, page 164, position 6 is dog, D-O-G, dog.
You got it.
Life's DHA sponsored the Australian Memory Championship because, in all reality, it's the perfect fit. There's so much research that has recently come out showing that a high-dose diet of DHA, omega-3, really does improve your memory through every stage of life. DSM and the Life's DHA brand, we go directly to the source of algae, and it's a vegetarian, sustainable source of DHA omega-3, which is important for brain health through every stage of life.
I am pleased to say that we have a new Australian memory champion, Justin Hartley.
I was absolutely amazed. I came in lowest ranked, I think, of all the competitors, so I never dreamt of winning. But it's a total shock, and I'm still lost for words almost. It's fantastic. This has really inspired me to continue. My mother actually has some memory problems at the moment and has Alzheimer's, so that's an aspect which is very dear to my heart. And I think it's another reason why I really want to pursue memory sport further.
3, 2, 1, memory!